And suddenly I see my mother sitting by the window and she's just looking outside the window and crying. We've received diamond jewelry, apartments, watches,
अपार्टमेंट्स
expensive gifts.
मम्मी का ये फेवरेट लाइन है, मैंने तो पहले कहा था और उन्हीं 12 लोगों को इन्वॉल्व किया था बनाने में ताकि कोई कंप्लेंट ना
सब खाना बना के नीचे आए.
that is a big धूमधाम in the life.
Harshad bhai, I'm having you. We have to end with Harshad. I am a fan of everyone and anyone who's putting those Harshad Mehta scam comments.
Hey guys, my name is Shravan Shah and today I'm going to be having a conversation with two काफी talented people in the house. It is Yami and Pratik. What's up guys? How are you guys doing?
Yes!
Did
Oh my
you miss
god,
this,
that's
Yami?
the energy change,
Yami
yeah.
just looking at me in disbelief. It's not like the first time you witnessed this, Yami. Disbelief is it?
Disbelieve it.
Oh my
Every
God.
time there's a variation.
Yay,
And
I
the
love it.
decibel is only going higher from here.
I hope it reaches somewhere and then comes down eventually.
It's still not reached?
No, it hasn't. It hasn't.
Okay, I thought better not be my film promotion.
No, but it's the best interview post lunch.
Yeah, it wakes you up. No, it
Yeah.
wakes you up. That's why I think that they planned this. But from that, what I'm going to do is I'm going to play a game with you guys. The game is called Shadi Mein Kya Kya Hua.
Okay.
ठीक है. I'm going to of course ask you all questions about your individual weddings that you all have had, and of course you all have to give answers. First one coming your way. Who gave the most unexpected speech or toast at your wedding?
There was no toast.
But did somebody give a speach?
There
ऐसे which somebody got you emotional at
There
your
was
wedding?
no speech and very it was very thought after literally planning because I didn't want my mom to cry, I didn't want my sister, I don't want anyone to cry. So there was no speech. But apparently after my bidai, they have cried so much, which I've gotten to know later. And my mom only was trying to create humor after the bidai was what we got married at home, and
Yeah.
there was literally जो नीचे का floor था वहाँ से आप ऊपर आए kitchen से entry की है and just trying to make something funny and ha ha ha. And apparently as soon as I've left and as soon as Aditya's father kind of gestured that now we're taking her, it was a formality, that
Yeah.
custom की आप घर प्रवेश करते हैं. He took me and the realization hit and apparently everybody has
You
cried.
will not
like
cry at a vidai.
I didn't cry at the bidai, but there was this rasm जिसमें वो बटना that ceremony और उसके बाद आप दोबारा आप नहाते हैं and you come back in your शादी का जोड़ा which was
Yeah,
gifted
yeah.
by my nani and you wear all the jewelry. And suddenly I see my mother sitting by the window and she's just looking outside the window and crying. And now she's required. I'm like, Mama, and now everyone's crying. So I said, thank God please, no speech, no saying anything, nothing. But it is
Cute.
It's
Pratik, at your wedding, did any guest embarrass themselves in an unexpected way? And you have to be honest, huh?
Yeah.
Huh, go for it. From your face, it seems like a lot of them have.
Yeah, lot of them. So when I got married, 2008, Bhamini, my wife, she is also an actor. She used to do a lot of theatre. She's done television also. And then there are a lot of colleagues that she had who were all invited in the wedding.
Okay.
So when they came, they were all known faces. So हम लोग यहाँ खड़े हैं और भीड़ सिर्फ वहीं पर है उनके साथ.
oh God.
और मैं सोच रहा हूँ कि यार हमारा तो ठीक है, उनको बुरा लग रहा होगा कि उनको छोड़ दो यार.
Wow.
And one of my cousins, he started talking to them. And he kept talking to one of them for almost half an hour, 45 minutes.
And you are seeing all it.
And I'm seeing it, and I'm seeing it from the stage. I said, यार उनको rescue करो कोई. I had to ask my friend कि
Please, निकालो.
उनको ले जाओ यार.
Yeah, this is bad. Okay. Yami, what's the strangest gift you've received as a couple?
So the strange bit is we've received diamond jewelry, apartments, watches,
Apartments?
expensive gifts.
Who are these
Now
guys?
the strange bit is, and all my co-actors have gifted us this, who I've worked with. The strange, and my mom is getting all such calls. The strangest bit is, nobody's gifted us anything, but it is all online. So according to social media or YouTube,
This is what you've
I
received.
have received like apartments and
अच्छा,
and
Pratik
what
is like, which one? Pratik is like, I'm gonna be friends with them first, then I'll get married again.
मतलब कौन सी घड़ियों के नाम नहीं लिए या कौन सी डायमंड ज्वेलरी नहीं मुझे मिली है अपेरेंटली मतलब इट वाज बिजार एंड प्रॉपर लेजिट नाम के साथ इन्होंने दिया है इनको ये घड़ी और इन्होंने तो मतलब क्या गाड़ी भी मिली है हमें.
Mother must have been shocked reading this.
Oh, she didn't read it. She had calls coming from relatives.
हाँ.
कि हाँ मतलब अब तो मतलब यहाँ इनको तो you know how you have these calls and everything. हाँ जी काफी टाइम से कॉल नहीं किया but हाँ जी कहीं ना कहीं बातों में अब तो कैसे है वो घड़ी अब तो you know how
Mom must be
sweet
so
of them.
embarrassed,
Mom
bro.
said ये कौन दे रहा ये किसने बोला आपको
Yo,
है ना
her mother would be like, probably Yami's got it and she's not told me
No,
about
she
it.
knows me way too well. She's like, कहाँ ये information? Then I actually saw those videos. I'm like, yeah, that's one woman I would have loved to meet.
Yeah. Okay. If you could redo one moment from your wedding, what would that be?
Redo one moment from my wedding. I guess shopping.
You loved it, huh?
No.
You would have not.
हाँ, I didn't.
Oh, you wouldn't have.
हाँ,
undone
मतलब
it
मैंने
actually.
उतनी नहीं की थी तब ना वैसा.
तो आपको नहीं करनी है कि और करनी है?
No, so now again, if given a chance, I'll
You
redo
will not
it.
do. Okay. You will
I'll
not.
redo it. थोड़ा
Again-
ढंग से अलग से.
Okay.
Again, हर्षद मेहता.
क्योंकि तब मैं शॉपिंग करने जाते थे ना तो मुझे बोलता था आपकी शादी है कि आपके कजिन की शादी है. बोलो मेरी शादी है. तो ये बहुत सिंपल ऐसा बोल देता था.
Oh, I thought he went overboard.
No, I didn't.
Interesting. Wow. Okay. What's the most unnecessary wedding expense you now regret?
I mean,
इनको नहीं, ये गलत जगह पर पूछ रहे हैं.
मतलब 12 फैमिली मेंबर्स में
बस में
शादी
क्या ही
की है.
unnecessary
अब वो
हो
क्या
सकता
होगा
है?
अगर मिठाई भी हम नहीं ले तो वो अगर एक्सपेंस
That is true. But I don't think
Yeah,
because
yeah,
you had a
nothing.
COVID wedding, no?
Yeah,
You
it
had a
was a-
pandemic
yeah,
wedding.
yeah.
In your case,
Pandemic wedding sounds very had a COVID wedding. मतलब we got married in the second phase. It was almost phasing
out.
And there's nothing I would have changed.
Changed about
thing.
it.
Yeah, I love the fact that most of my clothes were my nani, my sari was my mother's sari, my sister. Yeah, the only thing maybe I didn't imagine I'll end up doing my own makeup for my wedding, and my sister, my hair, I think who did a tremendous job. That's the only thing, but I don't mind. When I look at the pictures, I think it's
yeah, the pictures are very cute.
yeah. So I think it's fine.
Your case, sir, unexpected क्या था?
Unexpected के
Unnecessary जो आपको लगा यार ये खर्चा क्यों किया मैंने?
मुझे तो उस टाइम तो सारे खर्चे ऐसे लग रहे थे.
Buying
बच्चों एक
उस टाइम तो एक्चुअली ऐसा लग रहा था कि अरे अच्छा ये जरूरी है क्या.
I feel you. I feel you. Okay. What is the pettiest reason someone got offended at your wedding? Has anybody gotten offended? at your
मतलब अगेन अब
12
12
में से-
लोगों
wedding?
को कहाँ
actually
जाने
यार,
की बेटी होगा?
12 लोगों की
इनका
शादी.
ऐसा है ना कि 12 लोग ही थे तो अगर
हाँ.
इसका जवाब देंगे ना तो बहुत टारगेटेड हो जाएगा. उनको पता चल जाएगा किसकी बात कर रहे हैं.
Exactly. Otherwise वो
She has answered.
otherwise no they no answer. but Otherwise वो generic में usually छुप जाता है.
हाँ, ये
बहुत
12 लोग तो मतलब
हाँ.
who
I
the
know.
next dinner table conversation.
दूसरे 11 को पता होगा किसकी बात कर रहे हैं.
मतलब यहाँ तो यहाँ हमने कहीं ना कहीं से वो जो होती है ना टिक्की आलू टिक्की वो भी अरेंज कर घर पे ही बना के अरेंज कर ली थी. So ताकि सबको शादी की फील आए.
और उन्हीं 12 लोगों को इन्वॉल्व किया था बनाने में ताकि कोई कंप्लेंट
सब खाना बना के नीचे आए कि आपके हाथों में वो बस वो कटोरियां और फील ले लो आप फील.
Nice.
टिक्की अच्छी है ना.
In your case,
हाँ क्या
pettiest reason somebody got offended at a wedding? Did somebody get offended at the wedding? I'm sure
नॉट
somebody
दैट आई नो
would
ऑफ.
have.
मुझे तो नहीं बताया गया. अभी तक पता नहीं चला मुझे.
अब इतने सालों में पता, then I don't think anybody did.
हाँ.
वरना आ जाता.
मैं शायद भूल भी गया हूँ. पता नहीं यार 16 साल मतलब
I don't
जाने
think you
दो.
want to say that on camera. Okay. On a scale of 1 to 10, how exhausted were you at your wedding?
You know, while I really enjoyed my wedding, but for some reason, by the end of it, like when we were done with all the rasams and everything, I was still exhausted. I don't know why. Although it was a very quick one, and my nani had spoken to Pandit ji कि don't सबसे ज़रूरी of course फेरे है और कन्यादान.
हाँ.
You know वो was most important. Otherwise there's a very longer version also
Of the wedding,
which,
yeah.
हाँ वो आप प्लीज मुहूर्त को ध्यान में रखिए एंड एवरीथिंग. तो ऑल दैट वाज सॉर्टेड बट फॉर सम रीजन एंड आई थिंक सो दैट नाउ आई थिंक मी सेइंग दैट इज वेरी पेटी बट अदरवाइज आई really enjoyed it.
Yeah.
I think by getting tired because we're not used to I'm not used to wearing so much jewelry and everything, which was still very minimal.
Yeah.
But that's the maximum I've ever gotten ready in life, and
Cute.
and yeah, so that's it. That's about it by the end of it. But then again, when I changed, I was again back to yay, I'm married and this and that. So I think I was very, very happy.
Nice.
was way too
Pratik, this is my favorite question for you. Did you get cold feet?
No.
Don't lie.
No, seriously.
Just asking, calm down. Suddenly feeling attacked.
Because I actually wanted to get married
Uh-huh.
to Bhamini and I was chasing her. मतलब I chased her for the longest time.
How long?
So मुझे ऐसा लगता था कि उससे कोल्ड फिट है उससे पहले निपटा लेते हैं.
I think almost 4 years. You said
Yeah.
almost 4 years. You want.
Wow.
So
I mean that's why that no has to be assertive. It can't be no.
no.
Then that means a yes.
तो मुझे तो लगता है कि मैंने उससे पूछा और उसने तो मैंने उसका को हाँ समझ के तुरंत शादी निपटा दी. ऐसा लगता है
Fast forward, let's get
before the
back.
next answer comes.
And the last one, guys. What was the कहा था ना मैंने moment where something went exactly how you predicted?
I guess that happened for my mother every day. It happens. मम्मी का ये फेवरेट लाइन है. मैंने तो पहले कहा था.
So auntie is the OG.
हाँ, उनको सब पता ही होता है. All mothers are.
All mothers
That's a
are.
common
Yeah,
line.
yeah.
मैंने तो पहले ही कहा था. सब कुछ कैसे पता होता है? अच्छा बुरा सब पता होता है उनको.
Your case?
मैंने कहा था ऐसे नहीं, but in a very nice way. Like of course, as he said, mothers know it all.
Yeah.
But with Aditya, जिस तरह की शादी जब क्योंकि हम शादी की बात कर रहे होगी, so he said, you have fun. मजा है. मैंने कहा था. I told you. I promised you a beautiful wedding.
Mother is mothering. You're literally here. The last one coming your way, guys. You guys have, both of you all individually have been a part of such brilliant filmographies that even today when we go back and rewatch it, it's a
Yeah, it
delight.
made it sound like
I know, we are
dinosaurs. when we go back and
Absolutely not.
revisit the kind of cinema
So go
back
the
from
milieu
here-
you created.
Yeah, like I like how I took you all to your wedding memories, just suddenly coming back to filmographies. No, but which is that film for both of you all? जो अभी भी, okay, of your filmography will be Dhoom Tham.
I really don't have an answer for that because there are many.
Yeah.
And I can happily say that.
That is
Especially in
true.
the recent past, they have been.
That is absolutely.
There have been many.
It's the OG, guys. Again, saying this on camera. It's Yami 2.0 version happening on camera with all the films that she's being a part of. And
Why
I
don't you
love
say
it.
that line which I read very often for everyone?
2.0
It
version.
is your world and we're just living in it.
Living in it. Oh, wow. It's Yami Gautam's world and we're living in
But
it.
you know, whenever I read that for someone, it's sweet. But I'm like, why do I want to live in your world? Am I that vela in life? कितने वेले हो आप?
Look at Yami.
और सबके लिए ये line लिखते हैं. It is just
It's
her world
Yami
and
Gautam's
we're
world
living
and
in
living in
it. Now you also say that.
No, bilkul, I'm not saying that. But it's Yami Gautam 2.0 for sure with the kind of cinema she's been associated with. Sir, आपका धूमधाम content.
हाँ मतलब वैसे सारी फिल्म बिकॉज हमने खुद सिलेक्ट मतलब हाँ बोला था कि हाँ ये करेंगे. सो दैट्स हाउ आई वुड वांट टू से इट फॉर ऑल द फिल्म्स. बट स्कैम इफ
Yeah,
आई
yeah,
कैन
for
कॉल इट अ
sure.
फिल्म which is actually equivalent of
It
4
was.
films.
Absolutely.
But that is a big dhoomdam in the
Harshad
life.
bhai,
That is
I'm having you. We have to
absolutely
end with Harshad. I am a fan of everyone and anyone who's putting those Harshad Mehta scam comments. I read those and you make my day. I really enjoy Harshad Mehta. I'm saying it in every
tripping on it.
interview. Please, I encourage it.
Yeah, please do it, guys. Please do it, guys.
They also
But
know.
listen, guys, Dhoomdham. So when I watched the trailer, okay, I'm like, how does Yami manage to get in these situations all the damn time with her films? How does this happen, Yami? Like the first time when you read the script, okay, what was your first reaction? Let's begin from there, actually.
That it's a mad film. It's a mad film, and it'll be very silly of me if I let it go.
Yeah?
Koyal is going to be a role which a lot of girls are going to enjoy watching on screen. A lot of girls are going to connect with it, connect with her, hoot for her, I think cheer for her. So I think it was one of those roles, and I'm so glad it came my way.
Yeah. Also, I'm going to say this on camera. When I watched the trailer, Koyal reminded me a lot of Geet for some strange reason.
Really?
Yeah. Like, are there any parallels there?
No, I mean that's again a character which is gone
Iconic.
literally in eternity now.
Yeah, that is
and
absolutely
no
true.
audition of any of us girls used to be complete without giving Geet's lines. So that would be a compliment if you could crack that audition, you know, back in the audition days. There are no parallels though. There are no, that was not the idea at all, because the idea is to create something new. ना humor
Yeah.
में भी बहुत लड़कियाँ होती हैं जो काफ़ी बातें करती हैं, जो काफ़ी extrovert हैं, और उसमें भी बहुत वेरिएशंस हैं.
जी.
हर एक का ब्लू का शेड अलग होगा, हर एक का blacks and reds, they look very similar but they're all very different.
Yeah, that's true.
And here I think Geet was someone who she was who she was.
Yeah.
And Koil is someone who, and there are many girls. I did ask Aditya this, who's co-written this film along with Arsh. He's like, yeah, of course, there are girls, you know, who leading such lives, who have a different persona in front of probably their family, their, you know, and people, and her, but she has a very different life secretly, something else, totally different
Yeah.
from the kind of perception that's conceived about her.
Yeah.
So there are, because different kind of households, different kind of upbringings and challenges, and you know, so you don't want to upset anyone, and at the same time you want to live your life your way. So how do you
Yeah.
do that
Yeah.
without causing a kalesh at home? So
Kalesh.
that's
Love
how-
Kalesh. Love Kalesh. Listen, how have you got intertwined in this Kalesh? Like, when you read the script, did you also read that this is screaming Kalesh Max Pro?
Yeah.
है ना?
Yeah, actually, Dhoom Dham, I read it correctly in bold letters that it's going to be Dhoom Dham.
Yeah. But as an actor, when you're a part of a script like this, ठीक है, how do you prep for this madness? कि ये भी होने वाला है, ये भी होने वाला है, and considering it's a story of a night, if I'm not right,
Yeah.
if I'm not wrong, right? How do you prepare for that madness? कि यार ये भी होने वाला है, ये भी होने वाला है, and in midst of this, I have to like work it out.
So it's a very interesting prep that one has to do for something like this,
Huh.
because if you see whatever that you must have seen in the trailer
Yeah.
also, my character is consistently in reactive mode.
Yeah.
He never thought that something like this can happen
Yeah.
to anyone's life, and that happens to his life.
Yeah.
That too, at the, I guess, the most important time in his life.
Of life.
Of life, yeah.
Yeah.
सो धूमधाम शादी के पहले हो समझ में आता, शादी में हो समझ में आता, शादी के बाद ऐसी धूमधाम वाइल्डेस्ट ड्रीम में किसी ने नहीं सोची होती. सो ही इज कॉन्स्टेंटली रिएक्टिंग एंड ट्राइंग टू मैनेज द सिचुएशन.
Yeah.
जो शायद मतलब आप अकेले बैठ के कभी सोचते हो ना कि कभी अगर ऐसा होगा तो मैं ये करूँगा, कभी ऐसा होगा तो ऐसा, तो कोई सोचता ही नहीं होगा कि ऐसा भी होगा.
Yeah.
सो आई गेस मुझे इसमें ज़्यादा मज़ा ये आया कि वीर के लेयर्स जितने अलग अलग सिचुएशंस में खुलते हैं, एंड धीरे धीरे ही रियलाइजेस हिज ओन डिफरेंट सेल्फ.
Yeah.
So which is very interesting to explore.
So I'm going to say this, that even when I watched the trailer, ठीक है, I was like, bro, I'm feeling everything Pratik is feeling right now, because I am also like, what is happening here? This is mad. But thank you so much, guys. That was my time with you. I hope you'll enjoy this conversation.
Absolutely. You've woken us
And I'm going to say this. It's just Pratik and Yami's word in living. I'm going to see you guys super soon. Till then, this one is a wrap.